Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to make embed rules on your Discord servers. Let's begin. First, open up Discord application, go to your server, and from here, I have my trial server where I can easily make experiments. And for example, I have my text channel. So I have named this rules. Click on this gear icon so you can get started. Go to integrations, webhooks, click on new webhook. So just select your newly created webhook. You can now name this. I'm just going to go with Spidey number 2. Click over here if you want to add an image. So I have added mine. Once done, make sure to click on copy URL and save changes. From here, you're going to go to a specific website. It would be discohook.app. So click on the very first link, click on add webhook, and then paste your recently created webhook from Discord. And as you can see, it perfectly matched with what I have earlier. Click on add. So this is going to be the usual template they will provide you with. You can click over here to delete those. Click on add over here, add embed. From here, click on embed number 1, go to body. You can add your title. For example, we can do rules, but for this, I'm going to just use the description box. Rule number 1 would be mm, be respectful, right? So right now, so I want this to look more minimalist and add more features to it. Over here, before your text begins, you can add the number sign to make it bolder and bigger, right? Just like that. And you can add more if you wish to make some more adjustments. Click on this button if you would like to add a color to your sidebar, which is this portion. I'm going to choose color green, right? Then I'm good to go. You can add more, for example, like this, but it looks kind of messy. We're just going to add another embed instead. So, for example, if you would like to add images, you do also have the option. So click on images, click on add file. So I have successfully selected my file. We're going to add another embed number 2. So from here, click on it, click on body. On the description, number 2, no spams. And I'm also going to make this bolder. And there you go. So once you've successfully enumerated all of your rows over here, you can now scroll up and click on send. As long as you have successfully added your webhook, you're good to go. So click on send. Make sure to double check your server and channel. Click on send. All right. And here you go. I got a notification. Let me check my Discord server. And here we go. So it actually included this part. We can go back and delete this part. So I'm going to remove this. You can resend. Let me just delete this first. Delete and then resend everything. Let's check. And there you go. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.